Hey everyone, it's another scorching hot day here in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm located smack dab in the middle of Phra Kanong Market, which is located off Sukhumvit and Sukhumvit 71. I was walking around this area yesterday with a friend and we found this building here which is completely abandoned. It's an old movie theater that hasn't been in operation for 20 years. I didn't bring my camera yesterday to record the inside, and I'm just kicking myself because I had a friend with me and it was really scary. But today we're going to go inside and take a look, and you can come here and check it out yourself, but it is kind of spooky. So that's Sukhumvit 71. This is Sukhumvit Street right here. Phra Kanong BTS station is directly over there, but this is the theater right here. This is the old marquee. And right by the marquee there's an alleyway here which is filled with a bunch of shops, and this is the spot that you can walk into to actually get to this abandoned movie theater. Here's the pathway. I'm probably going to be doing a video on this market, which I like going to. It's really close to where I live. And this is one side entrance right here. And then this is the main entrance where I did the intro for the video. Right here. That's it right there. So you could tell it's very close to the street. It's pretty easy to access. It's not in some area where someone could easily kill you and you'll never be found. This is in a pretty populated area. So let's go inside. So this is the second level. Obviously it's in use. Someone is feeding cats here. But check this out. Right here. Wow. I'm just glad it's not dark right now, because for me, two things make my skin crawl, my hairs rise. That would be abandoned buildings and the sound of kids. That is scary AF. This is the part that kind of freaked us out here because we don't know what's inside. Hopefully the cameras pick up some stuff. This is the main portion of the movie theater. Another bathroom here, area. That right there. So I don't know what the last movie that was shown here, But I did find some old posters, and I'll show you some of those. Isn't that Michelle Yeoh right there? It has to be. If anyone can translate this, let me know. Right now it's roughly 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Still plenty of daylight. And this is scary. I mean, this is really scary right now. I wanted to come here before it got really dark, because like a lot of Thai people, I am afraid of ghosts. It's a very superstitious society, and this is the type of stuff that I guess would make most grown men quiver, including me. Another bathroom. Steps to nowhere. I just walked from the 3rd level to the 2nd level. This is the most interesting level for me, because right here in this little room, there are just abandoned umbrellas, candy. I saw printer cartridges, so people are using this for storage. But yeah, I'm still afraid to go in it, but I'll show it to you in a sec. This right here is one of the balconies that was used to watch the movies, like a private seating area. 2nd floor level. Wow. I would like to go down there, but there's just so much debris that it would probably be dangerous without some sort of flashlight. Plus, I'm afraid of getting murdered. Not that it would really happen, but you never know. This is the room that has all sorts of candy, treats, umbrella, Hitachi, Capital, something. I think that might be a monitor. I don't know if you guys can read that, but there's a lot of stuff stored here. A lot of it has not been used. This is kind of sketchy coming up. Yeah, I don't think I'll be going inside there. But to the right, this is very interesting. A little shrine. Place to walk around and pray. And then these are the neighbors. One stumble, you may not die, but you'll probably get hurt. But I do appreciate how they were able to put a temple somewhere on the premise. A lot of businesses and residences have some sort of praying area or shrine, and this one has it, and it's out of the way, so it's not visible to the general public. And that is the extent. Well, I mean, I can go downstairs, but there are people downstairs, some kids playing. There was a shop that's attached somewhere, and I just don't want to overstay my welcome. As a matter of fact, they probably don't even know I'm here, and it is very creepy. So let's walk down and take a quick glimpse. So we're going to be walking right back down. See, this is the first floor. I mean, this is definitely in use. And that is it. So it's a little short video. I've always had a fascination with abandoned buildings, the supernatural, ghost stories, things like that. And when I found this place, I just knew I had to do a short video on it. But yeah, for me, it's just really exciting, and I'm just glad I'm not doing it at night. Anyway, as I said earlier, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And please leave your thoughts on this, because I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Bye.